Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF is not working or Microsoft Print to PDF driver is missing error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process to fix this error, and I give the multiple solution to fix this error. So let's go to our first solution. Our first solution is very easy and basic. Go to the start and here type control panel. Click on the control panel. In a control panel, find programs and features. Click on programs and features. In a programs and feature, right hand side, we find turn Windows feature on or off. Click on turn Windows feature on or off. Here we find many options, and here find Microsoft Print to PDF. If it's check, then unselect it, uncheck it. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. Now check on the close this, go to the start, go to the power button and restart your machine. Restart your machine is very IMP. After restart, go to the start, here type control panel once again, click on the control panel. In a control panel, find programs and features, click on programs and features. In a programs and feature, go to the right hand side, turn Windows feature on or off, click on that. Search for the Microsoft Print to PDF. Once again select that. Click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds. It's installed once again. Now it is installed. Close it. Close it. Once again go to the start and restart your machine, and after restart your problem must be solved. If your problem is not solved, then we are going to our next step. Next step is very easy and simple. We are going to the services. Go to the start and type services. Click on the services. In services, we find many options. Here find print spooler. Find print spooler. Right click on the print spooler. Here we find properties. Click on the properties. In properties, system type is disabled or manual, and make sure it is automatic. Make sure it is automatic, and make sure service status is running. In this case, it is not running, it is stopped. Then click on apply, and here we find it is showing start button. Click on start button, wait for a few seconds, and here we find startup type is automatic and service status is running. Click on the apply, click on OK, and here select print spooler. Go to the restart, click on the restart. It's restart your print spooler. Wait for a few seconds and make sure print spooler and status is running and startup type is automatic. Then close it and restart your machine, and it's also fix your problem. If it's not fix your problem, then next solution is make your printer Microsoft Print to PDF, make sure it is default printer. That is very easy to make a default printer. Go to the start and here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, we find our all installed printers, include our Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, and make sure allow Windows to manage my default printer. Make sure it is off. If it's on, then off it. Make sure it is off. After that, go to here Microsoft Print to PDF, select that, and here we find set as a default printer. Here we find set as a default. Click on that set as a default and check your printer is working or not. Our next solution is very simple. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, if your Microsoft Print to PDF is not showing or not working, then go to here add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Close it or minimize it. Here we find existing port. Click at here and select any LPT, LPT1, LPT2, LPT3. Select any LPT port. Click on the next. Here we find manufacturer. Click on the manufacturer. And if you find Microsoft Print to PDF at this point, then select that from this list. If you not find, then go to the Windows update. And it's take 1 minute to 5-10 minutes. So wait for 5 to 10 minutes after clicking on the Windows update. After update is complete, find Microsoft, select Microsoft. In a printer list, find Microsoft Print to PDF. If you find Microsoft Print to PDF, select that, click on the next. I go with the replace the current drivers. I replace my current printer or use the that is currently installed. Click at here or click on the second option. Click on the next. I give the same name. You can give different name. I give the same name. So I give the 2 number. So I give the second number of this printer. Click on the next. If you want to default printer, then set a default printer and click on a printer test if you want to print a test page, or click on a finish. Check printer is working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, and if you find Microsoft Print to PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF or any new name with the Microsoft to print PDF, that means your printer is properly working on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.